Happy Vijayadashmi, Happy Navaratri, Shubha Navaratri. We are very happy that we completed the 10 days of Devi Sadhana. Dear devotees, a hearty namaskaram to all of you. Vijayadashmi blessings to all of you. We have no words to describe our gratitude to all of you for your support in conducting this year's Sharanavaratri Utsav. We started the event on the 16th October with Aradhana celebration of our Guru Sri Vimarshananda Nathendra Saraswati Swamigal. This year's Navaratri celebration has many unique things. It's unique in many ways. For the first time, we did Akhanda Devi Puja for the entire duration of Navaratri. BPA devotees worldwide participated in this continuous Parayanam, which happened for 240 hours without a break. The dedication, sincerity, and commitment of BPA disciples is extraordinary. Together, in these 10 days, more than 100 Devi Mahatmya Parayanam was chanted and Chandi Homam by around 12 days every day for the past 10 days done. Every day, Sri Vidya Navavarna Puja was done twice. I would like to give you just a quick recap of programs from the Chennai Ashram. Each of the past 10 days started with the puja for Chandika Mahalakshmi, the Chandi Homam with around 12 Ritvaks, Rudra Abhishekam, Guru Pada Puja with Sundari Gharpita, Purusha Suktam and Sri Suktam, Mahayaga Krama and Mahatrapa Sundari Navavarana Puja. At the end of the morning Navavarana Puja, Sri R.K. Sriram Kumar rendered Kamalamba Navavarana Kritis as part of the Sangeeta Seva. We also, on all this in the morning, we did the Lalita Sahasrama Stotra. Every day, the evening program started with Sri Vidya Navavarana Puja, followed by Ascharya Stotram, Lalita Sahasranama, Lalita Trishati Archana, and Sangeeta Seva was performed. The evening Sangeeta Seva was led by Bhanuti Vishnath, senior disciple of our Swamigal. Immediately after the conclusion of the pujas and homa each day morning, Indian disciples rendered 2 Devi Mahatmya Parayanam, followed by 2 Devi Mahatmya Parayanam by BPA USA Midwest devotees. After this, the puja and archana was performed in the Chennai Ashram. Immediately after this, the BPA Mid-Atlantic devotees took over and performed 4 back-to-back Devi Mahatmya Parayanams, after which the BPA Canada devotees who did 2 Devi Mahatmya Parayanam. At the end of the Toronto Parayanam, the next day, the 24 hours ended, and the Chennai Ashram Chandi Homa commenced for the next day. To coordinate this 24 hours of Homa, Puja and Parayanam was a big challenge. But more incredible was performing the above program without a single break for more than 240 hours. The concluding Devi Mahatmya Parayanam, which just concluded now, was performed by the BPA Bay Area disciples. At the end of this, we are going to do the Guru Pada Puja as our humble offering and gratitude to our Guru Mandala and Mahashodashi Devi for making this impossible happen. Only our Mahashodashi, Mahatrapasundari and Gurus can make this impossibility a possibility, and it is beyond any human effort. It is purely the blessings that we got which we are able to do. As mentioned in the Bhavana Upanishad, Chintita Karyani Ayattena Siddhyanti, meaning our planned tasks will happen without effort. I should say, grants much more than one things because she is also Pancha Adhika Palam, and also she is Avyaja Murti. Ambal and Gurus give much more than what we expect. No event of this magnitude can happen without the selfless and tireless service of our volunteers. Right from arranging materials for Homam, performing Homam with sincerity, commitment, devotion, the Parayanam chanters from the entire BPA family around the world, managing the live streaming continuously for more than 240 hours, managing situations due to electricity failure or network issues, no internet, where the backup team immediately took over. Kudos to all the backup chanters who pitched in seamlessly when the main chanter faced connectivity issues. Due to the current coronavirus situations, all devotees could watch from their homes the entire 240 hours of our prayers, and everybody, this was like a tapas, a sadhana which our rishis did. So this tapas is required particularly during this time of this coronavirus, so that the world becomes much better very quickly. It is very important. Our special gratitude to the BPA technical team for their long hours of diligent work to ensure devotees are able to participate continuously in all the programs. Our gratitude and blessings to the entire BPA team for planning and executing this 240 hours of Akhanda Puja with high level of perfection. The second significant event this Navaratri is the completion of Ayuta Chandi Homam as part of the Laksha Chandi Homam. With the blessings of our Guru Parampara and Chandika Mahalakshmi, we took the Sankalpam to perform Laksha Chandi Mahayagyam this year on the auspicious Vinayaka Chaturthi day. Ayuta Chandi is very special for all of us in Bhaskar Prakash Ashram. I would like to share with you an interesting event that happened in 2015 during one of the Sahasra Chandi Parayanams when we did the Sahasra Chandi Homa in 2015 in Toronto, Canada. During 2015, we had around 20 disciples who chanted Devi Mahatmyam, and we had 65 Parayanam sessions in different houses, different devotees' houses as part of the Sahasra Chandi Homam, because we wanted to complete the 1000 Parayana. In one of the session, when I was chanting the Sahasra Chandi Sankalpam, I wrongly mentioned Ayuta Chandi instead of Sahasra Chandi. Then the devotees present mentioned that we should immediately perform Ayuta Chandi, because I said that what I said is, in the spur of the moment, I didn't have any answers to the devotee, what I should say. So in the spur of the moment, I mentioned that we will perform in 2020, because at that time I thought, let me put it off for some years so that nobody will ask. As performing the Ayuta Chandi required more than 10,000 Devi Mahatma Parayanam, I did not think that this is even achievable and dropped the idea. As Kalidasa says in Kumara Sambhava, Nahishwara Vyaghritayaha Kadachite Pushtanti Loke Viparita Martham, which means the words uttered by sages and divine people become true. When I ponder over this statement, I realize the magnitude of this statement. On this day, when I said Ayuta Chandi in Sankalpam, it was said in the presence of divine souls, our gurus, Swami Jnanananda Tirtha, who had come for the Sahasra Chandi from India, my father Sri Yajnaratnam Dikshidhar, the Guru Padukas of Swami Jnanananda of Tapovanam, Swami Haridas Giri of Tennangur, and my Guru Sri Vimarshanandanatha Swamigal's Guru Paduka. And when Sri Jnanananda Tirtha Swami was doing this Sri Chakra Navavarna Puja at that time. So because this shows that even when an ordinary person like me utter words in front of divine souls, they become true. The third significant thing I want to share with all of you is the overwhelming support BPA received from all the Sri Vidya Mandalis, particularly the Sri Vidya Mandalis in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and they are all from different lineages. But they had such magnanimous mind that they joined with the Bhaskar Prakash Ashram to do their part in this spiritual endeavor, so that we are able to complete the 100,000 Laksha Chandi Parayanam. Because this is not possible by one person. All divine souls who know Devi Mahatmyam, they can be from any mandali, can join, but we can only request. But I am very happy because of our Guru's blessing and Mahashodashi's blessing. Every mandali, they all joined with Bhaskar Prakash Ashram to do the Devi Mahatmyam Parayanam. And because of that, we have been able to complete close to 18,000 Devi Mahatmya Parayanams. We pray to Chandika Mahalakshmi for the continued support of everyone, all BPA devotees, all devotees from all other Sri Vidya Mandalis, all those who know Devi Mahatmyam, to support us to complete the 110,000 Parayanam, for which we had done the Sankalpam as early as possible. When we did the daily Devi Mahatmyam Parayanam this year, during the Vasanta Navaratri, we had no plan to teach Devi Mahatmyam to another batch of students. We have grown from the 20 students in 2015 to 2,000 students in 2020. This is only due to our Gurus and Chandika Mahalakshmi. With the overwhelming support of BPA devotees, BPA disciples, and devotees from other Guru Parampara, we have been able to complete the Ayuta Chandi Homa. Because I never thought that in that very short time we could even complete this 10,000 Parayanam, but I left it to the holy feet of our Guru and the Mahatrapa Sundari to make that happen. And now, after the completion, I can say that we have been able to complete this Parayanam, not just 10,000, but around close to 18,000. But the most significant thing in performing this Ayuta Chandi is to do Parayanam. People are all different in different places around the worldwide. They are doing. They are all doing in their own homes. But we have to do the Homa. Doing the Ayuta Chandi Homa is not a simple task. How do we get all the materials required? How do we plan for doing the Homa? How do we get the required Ritviks? Because we cannot have anybody from outside. We have to have only those who are in the ashram. Because of the situation, all of you, we told everybody to watch this program live, but we needed the Ritviks to do the Homa. And I'm very happy to say that on an average, we had 12 disciples every day for this last 10 days, and we could finish 116 Chandi Homas in these 10 days. That itself, it's again, this is all offered to the holy feet of our Guru. Because again, I am saying, I am not even sure whether we are eligible to do the Sankalpam. Not even think about our completion of this. It is just the blessings. We are grateful to all of you for your support. And this Navaratri, the fourth unique thing is, worldwide, when I mentioned all the programs we did, they've just completed Parayanam by the Bay Area was the 101st Parayanam. Because every day the BPA India disciples did 2 Parayanams, the Midwest devotees did 2, the Mid-Atlantic, the New Jersey and Washington group, they did 4 Parayanams every day. Toronto group did 2 Parayanams. For all the 10 days, making 100, culminating in the BPA Bay Area disciples doing the final concluding Parayanam, we did 101 Parayanams. And this 101 is just what was on the webcast on the YouTube. There were other BPA disciples and other disciples from all over. They did in addition to this. So this Navaratri is unique that Akhanda Devi, so many, we normally plan for Navaratri every day, one Devi Mahatmya Parayanam. Never I would have dreamt that it is even possible to do more than 100 Parayanams during the Navaratri. Again, we are all thankful for your support and pray to all our Gurus, all the Gurus from all Guru Mandalas, all the saints, and also the Chandika Mahalakshmi, who is the Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati Swarupini, to bestow all good things to all of you. Blessings to all of you. Namaskaram to all of you. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.